welcome to my channel, Alice Yummy Food and Love Dian. Today I'm going to show you one of the most requested video cakes ever. How you doing, buddy? It's a raw vegan blueberry bliss cheesecake. It has no dairy, no butter, no flour, it's gluten-free. It's so delicious, guys. It's one of my favorite cakes ever, and I'm actually selling it in one restaurant already. So I really wanted to share this recipe with you because you have been asking, and I have collaborated with the Buy Whole Foods online, and they have provided me with all the amazing ingredients because they're all organic and natural and delicious. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do check them out as well and leave a comment down below, say what you think and if you're going to make this. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. Just click the notification bell when you subscribe so you get my latest videos. And now let's get started. Yay! Say hello. Everybody always says that Milo looks moody, but it's just his face. He's actually very happy dog. Oh, you happy dog? Yeah. Do you want some food?
First, we're going to make our base. So I'm using some walnut halves and adding them into a bowl. And these are organic and they are so yummy. Then I'm going to add my mijol dates. You can use any dates you like. I do like mijol, they're my favorite. They're really thick and fatty and so sweet. Make sure you take out the seeds. Then we're going to make our base. So in a food processor, add your walnuts with your dates. And then add coconut shreds, and I'm using unsweetened, vanilla extract, and just a tiny pinch of salt. Then we're going to close the lid and blitz everything together for a couple of minutes until it's all combined and kind of becomes, you will see, like a crumb mixture. When I take it out, it needs to be quite sticky and it should all come together just like that when you press on it. So that means it's ready. Take it off, and you can use any container or shape or form for this recipe. I've posted some pictures with small ones and large cakes, so it's just up to you. Just make sure you cling film the bottom of your pan and then add your base first. And it's not a really thick base, but it's quite nice and, you know, good ratio of your blueberry to your crust. So spread it evenly and just using a spoon and press it down so it's nice and sticky. And then place it in a freezer for 20 minutes or so while we make our blueberry filling. Right here you can see my organic cashew nuts, which have been soaking overnight. So I'm just going to drain these now. And then place them into your food processor. We're making our second layer. Then add your maple syrup. And then I'm using 1 lemon squeezed, just the juice, and add your blueberries. You can also add more blueberries if you wish. Next, I'm going to add vanilla powder, which is actually from Madagascar, which is amazing. And you only need a tiny pinch. You can see it's all being processed together, the whole vanilla stick into a powder, which is amazing. So just add that into your cheesecake mixture. And then I'm using coconut organic extra virgin oil. And we don't need too much, just, you know, a tablespoon, a large one. And I'm going to melt it in a microwave until it's nice and melted, just like that. So then add this into your cheesecake mixture. This will help our dessert to set and be nice and sort of stable. And then I'm adding some coconut milk, and this is the top of the can, so just the fatty part. Again, this will help to stabilize the dessert. So just add all that and just blitz it again until it's nice and smooth. My blender is, you know, quite strong but not the most powerful, so I think I blitzed it for about 5 to 6 minutes until it becomes super nice and smooth. Obviously, the longer you blitz it, the better it will be. Then just take it off and pour your blueberry cheesecake mixture on top of your nutty date base. Then I decided to add more blueberries inside. You don't have to do that, just put them all inside and dip them into the cheesecake so you can't see them. So we're gonna hide the blueberry, little surprise. Then shake your cake just to make sure there are no air bubbles at the bottom, and place your cake into the freezer for a couple of hours until it's nice and set. Guys and girls, you can find my recipe on Alice Yummy Food on my website. It will be on the front page today, and of course as I upload new recipes the blog will update itself, but you can also search for any recipes that you want and check out all the other delicious cakes and treats that I have on my website. Just click on a picture and you will have the full recipe with video directions. Next, I decided to make a blueberry jam to complement the cake. So add 1 cup of blueberries and 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to cook this on low heat until the blueberries start to soften. This can take from 5 to 8 minutes. Just keep mixing it together. If you're using frozen blueberries, do not add any water, as they already contain quite a lot of water. And then you can see the mixture starts to become nice and sort of smooth and beautiful in color. Just set this aside to cool down. Once your blueberry cheesecake is done, take it out of the freezer and then gently using a sharp knife, just loosen the edges and gently take out your mold from the cake. Then place it onto your presentation plate, and I'm adding my blueberry jam right in the middle. Again, you can spread it around all over the entire cake if you like. Use your imagination, do whatever you like, however you want it. And then I'm adding more fresh blueberries on top and just peeled raspberries just for a bit of color. You can add some fresh mint here, some strawberries, anything that you like. And there you go, my blueberry bliss cheesecake. It's so delicious. You can see they cut through really nice and well. It's not too hard, it's quite a soft cake, so it doesn't need a lot of time to defrost in the fridge. And then you can plate it. I'm adding more blueberry jam onto each slice, just like that, and spread it around. And guys, this cake is to die for, honestly. It's so delicious, so fresh. I do think that the blueberry jam adds the extra blueberry flavor and it goes through nice and well. It's really creamy in the middle and really kind of nutty and crusty, crunchy at the bottom. This cake will definitely be a hit, guys. Check out all my other videos and I'll see you soon.